Are you interested in learning how to play musical keyboard with Indian musical notations? Our simple step-by-step methods make it easy to follow along and start playing your favorite tunes in no time. Watch this video to discover how you can unlock your musical talent and enjoy the beautiful sounds of Indian music. Have you always wanted to learn how to play the piano or keyboard but found it too intimidating? Well, you're in luck because we are here to guide you through every step of the way using Indian musical notations. Today we are starting our series on how to play the piano or keyboard using Indian musical notations. No more struggling with complex sheet music. We'll break it down into simple and easy to follow lessons. Follow our step-by-step method and get ready to impress your friends and family with your talents. You will be playing your favorite tunes like a pro. I am really happy to start our first lesson today. Best of luck. What are musical alphabets? The study of musical alphabets is fundamental to understanding music theory, notation, and the structure of music itself. Musical alphabets are of 7 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. They repeat in cycles and are used to name the notes in music. A musical scale is a sequence of notes in order that provides the basis for a piece of music. Today, I will teach you how to play C major scale on the musical keyboard. The major scale is one of the most common scales in Western music. It has a happy and bright sound. It is often the first scale taught to music students due to its simplicity. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. We hope you enjoyed it and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.